Good morning, Good morning, children. Yesterday we did more than half of the play of the proposal. We left it at the point when Lomov and Natalia fought over the piece of land. And after that, let us see, they will fight again. Never mind about my people. The Lomovs have all been honorable people, and not one has ever been tried for embezzlement like your grandfather. They are again blaming each other. Sorry. You Lomovs have had lunacy in your family, all of you. Lunacy means madness. Now Shubukov C is the eldest of them. Still, he is behaving in an immature manner, and the blame that he puts against the family of Lomovs is that all of them are mad. All. Your grandfather was a drunkard, and your younger aunt, Nastya Mihailvona, ran away with an architect, and so on. Chubukov is putting blames after blames. And your mother was humpbacked, clutches at his heart, something pulling in my side, my head, help, water. Lomov was also blaming, but he is feeling nervous also at the same time. Your father was a guzzling gambler, Shubukov says, and so these points are important. We can ask you what charges did they put against each other. So you will have to learn these. And there have not been many backbiters to equal your aunt. My left foot has gone to sleep. You are an intriguer, oh my heart, and it's an open secret that before the last elections, you bring, I can see stars, where is my hat? Means Shubukov is also feeling nervous now. It's low, it's dishonest, it's mean. And you are just a malicious, double faced intriguer. Earlier, Shubukov was calling him my precious, my treasure, my darling, and now, double faced intriguer. Yes, here is my hat, my heart. Which way? Where is the door? Oh, I think I am dying. My foot is quite numb. And don't set foot in my house again, Shubukov says. Take it to court, we will see. Natalia also threatens to take the matter to court. Devil staggers out. Lomov staggers out. Devil take him, walks about in excitement. What a rascal! What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? The villain, the scarecrow. So the villain, double-faced intriguer, the scarecrow, these are the adjectives which he is using for the same Lomov whom he was calling precious. The monster, first he takes our land and then he has the impudence to abuse us. And that blind hen, yes, that turnip ghost has the confounded cheek to make a proposal, and so on. What a proposal! Now Shubukov tells Natalia, his daughter, that actually Lomov had come to make a proposal. Natalia, what proposal? Why he came here to propose to you. To propose to me. Why didn't you tell me so before? So he dresses up in evening clothes, the stuffed sausage, the wizen-faced from. So means Natalia's behavior will take a U-turn now. She will regret why she had been so rude with Lomov, who had come to marry her. See, Natalia, to propose to me. Falls into an easy chair and bring him back. Bring him back. Bring whom back? Quick, I'm ill. Fetch him. What is that? What's the matter with you? Oh, unhappy man that I am. I'll shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have done for her. I'm dying. Fetch him. At once, don't yell. What have they done to me? Fetch him back. Fetch him. He's coming, and so on. Devil, take him out. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Shubukov is not in a mood to call him back, but Natalia is dying to meet him. He's coming, and so on. Fetch him, he is coming, I tell you. Oh, what a burden, Lord. Be the father of a grown up daughter. I will cut my throat, I will indeed. We cursed him, abused him, drove him out, and it's all you. No, it was you. See, Natalia and Shubukov have started fighting with each other now. They are blaming each other for being rude to Lomov. Lomov enters. My heart is palpitating awful. My foot has gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side. Forgive us, Ivan Vasilevich. We were all a little heated. I remember now, Oxen Meadows really are yours. Lomov comes back and Natalia says, yes, Oxen Meadows are yours only. My heart is beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrow are both twitching. The meadows are yours, yes, yours. Do sit down. We were wrong. I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. The more so, as I have evidence, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's pageants. Yes, let that pass. I wish I knew how to get him started. Are you going to start shooting soon? She's changing the topic, Natalia. Actually, she's trying to bring Lomov to the point of proposing. So, Lomov, I'm thinking of having a go at the Black Cock. Honored Natalia Stepnovna after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just think, what a misfortune I have had. My dog Guess, who you know, has gone lame. Now, Lomov is talking about his dog. What a pity, why? I don't know. Must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. My best, very best dog, to say nothing of the expense. I gave Mironov 125 rubles for him. So Lomov seems to be proud of his dog. It was too much, Ivan Vasilevich. I think it was very cheap. He is a first-rate dog. Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is heaps better than Guess. So Guess is the name of Lomov's daughter, squeezer is the name of Natalia's daughter. And now I hope you also must have guessed that both of them are going to fight again. Squeezer better than Guess? What an idea! Squeezer better than Guess? Of course he is better, of course. Squeezer is young, he may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree, he is better than anything that even Voltenki has got. Excuse me, Natalia Stepnovna, but you forget that he is overshot, and an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. Overshot, is he? The first time I hear it. Natalia, Lomov, both of them are so possessive about their dogs that they are not ready to listen to even a single word against them. I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. Have you measured? Yes, he's all right at following, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything, in the first place, a squeezer is a thoroughbred animal, the son of harness and chisels. While there is no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all, he is old and as ugly as a worn-out cab horse. So they start giving bad names to each other's dogs now. He is old, but I won't take 5 squeezers for him. Why, how can you? Guess is a dog. As for squeezer, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you like has a dog as good as squeezer. You may find them under every bush almost. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Lomov crosses limits now. He says he will not give his dog even if somebody gives him 10 squeezers. And he says that squeezer is a common dog and everywhere you can find him for 25 rubles. There is some demon of contradiction in you today. First you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now that Guess is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean. because you know perfectly well that Squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. Why do you want to say he is not? I see, Natalia, that you consider me either blind or a fool. You must realize that Squeezer is overshot. It is not true. He is. It is not true. Why shout, madam? Lomov says. Why talk rot? Means you are speaking rubbish. It is awful. It is time your guess was shot and you compare him with Squeezer. Excuse me, I cannot continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating. I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know least. Madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shut up. Lomov says, I'm feeling very nervous. Anything can happen to me. You don't shout. I shall not shut up until you acknowledge that Squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. 100 times worse. Be hanged to your Squeezer. His head, eyes, shoulder. There is no need to hang your silly guess. He is half dead already. Shut up. My heart is bursting. I shall not shut up. Enter Shubukov. What's the matter now? Shubukov is surprised to see that both of them are fighting again when Natalia herself has called Lomov back. Papa, tell her truly which is the better dog, our Squeezer or his guess. Stepan Stepanovich, I implore you to tell me just one thing. Is your Squeezer overshot or not? Yes or no? And suppose he is, what does it matter? He is the best dog in the district for all that, and so on. See, Shubukov, look at Shubukov once again. He is an old man, eldest member of the family, knows the whole situation. Still he joins their call once again. Don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me, your guest certainly has his good points. He's purebred, firm on his feet, has well-sprung ribs and all that. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, that dog has two defects. He's old and he's short in the muzzle. Excuse me, my heart, let's take the facts. You will remember that on the Merusinsky hunt, my guest ran neck and neck with the Count's dog, while your Squeezer was left a whole worst behind. Lomov is giving examples to prove what he says. He got left behind because the Count's whipper in hit him with his whip. And okay, let us leave it here only and we will complete the play tomorrow.